Imagine a future where your profession becomes obsolete, replaced by a machine that can perform the same tasks with greater speed and accuracy. This is not a far-fetched scenario, but a pressing reality in today's world of artificial intelligence, or AI. The rapid advancement of these technologies has raised concerns about job security and left many wondering if their livelihoods are at risk. Are you prepared for the wave of automation that is set to revolutionize the job market within the next 5 years? From self-driving vehicles to chatbots and robotic process automation, AI has already made significant inroads across various industries. The impact is undeniable, with machines taking over routine tasks that were once performed by humans. But which jobs are most vulnerable to this technological upheaval? Which occupations will AI disrupt the most in the near future? Whether you are a factory worker, a customer service representative, or even a lawyer, no profession seems immune to the transformative power of AI. The looming threat of job displacement calls for a proactive approach to career planning. By understanding the top jobs AI will likely replace, you can adapt, reskill, and future-proof your professional journey. In this video, we will uncover the top jobs that are likely to be taken over by AI within the next 5 years. Let's get started. Bagging the first position in our most likely to be replaced by AI contest are our very own administrative roles. Funnily enough, these are the roles most under threat from recent AI marvels like ChatGPT. With incredible leaps forward in ability, traditional admin roles are in danger. Entry-level admin roles encompass activities like jotting down notes, doing the spell-checking tango, crafting beautiful summaries, and wrangling with spreadsheets. All tasks ChatGPT can pull off with the elegance of a ballet dancer. In a recent research that caused as much stir as a squirrel at a dog park, Goldman Sachs predicted that nearly 300 million jobs could be handed over to AI. You won't believe it, but the office and administrative support job category was given the gold medal for having the highest percentage, a whopping 46% of tasks that AI could do without breaking a sweat. Adding more fuel to this automation bonfire, Microsoft Teams Premium flaunts the CoPilot feature. It transforms your video conferencing meetings into neat notes, and even whips up a to-do list by examining the transcript's content. It's funny to think that a couple of decades ago, such note-taking chores were the bread and butter for numerous administrative and secretarial positions. Now, AI can do it all quickly and doesn't need coffee to stay awake in those dull meetings. It will only get better and more useful as it advances. At number 2, we have data entry roles, which unfortunately are as predictable as the ending to every romantic comedy you've ever seen and just about as easy to automate. Why is that, you wonder? Simply put, the relentless repetition and unwavering obedience to logic make them about as challenging to automate as slicing through butter with a hot knife. Angelo Sorbello, the grand poobah of AI writing and SEO tool LinkDelta, says jobs that hinge on making data-driven decisions are dancing on the edge of the automation cliff. He's talking about roles such as financial analysis and medical diagnosis. In essence, any job that behaves like a robotic set of IKEA instructions, put tab A into slot B, is practically begging to be automated, he clarified. Adding his 2 cents, Ryan Faber, the brainbox behind the AI content writing platform Copymatic, opines, manually punching data into a computer has all the thrill and time-consuming agony of a snail-racing marathon. He says, though it's a vital piece of the business puzzle, data entry is essentially an apple hanging so low it's practically underground. With AI tools like OCR and NLP coming to the party, we can now automate data entry so thoroughly it might just develop an identity crisis. To put it humorously, if data entry is a piñata, then AI is a kid with a big stick and a sweet tooth. The latest buzz about OpenAI cooking up a scheme to make elementary coding as obsolete as a dial-up modem with their AI darling ChatGPT has likely sent shivers down the spines of folks in the software sector. AI is now armed and ready to take over a good chunk of the humdrum testing that software engineers endure during development, as well as the duties that usually fall to the newbies in the coding game. This puts junior software engineers at number 3 on our list. AI is also gearing up to go on a bug hunt, isolating glitches and patching security weaknesses automatically. While it may not yet have the chops to replace engineers crafting intricate software that demands a human's creative touch, that's not necessary for every bit of code being written by teams globally. OpenAI is already tinkering with a program named Codex, designed to tackle almost any coding task you throw at it. It's like a Swiss Army knife for coding. Plus, whisperings from the grapevine suggest that folks at Amazon and Samsung have already taken ChatGPT for a spin in their coding endeavors. In a recent game of Who's Most Likely to Be Replaced, hosted by Legal Cheek, ChatGPT revealed its predictions. Seemingly, GPT-4, with its arsenal of techie tools, has set its sights on none other than our noble paralegals. The human skill set on the chopping block, as per ChatGPT's cheeky assessment, is research and organization. AI paralegals are no longer figments of sci-fi imagination. They're strutting down the runway of commerce, some even sporting free trial tags. Take case text, for instance. It doesn't just review documents and legal memos. It practically holds the lawyer's hand, aiding in the preparation of depositions. Contracts aren't safe either. Case text scrutinize them, and armed with its compliance law handbook, makes revisions if necessary. It also moonlights as a fortune teller, predicting potential risks your business could trip over. As you may guess, that's a whole lot of human paralegal duties being co-opted. If you're under the illusion that creativity's AI-proof, you still need to meet the digital Da Vinci known as DALL-E 2 from OpenAI, the same team that gave us the tech-spinning whiz kid, ChatGPT. DALL-E 2 cranks out images with the same finesse as ChatGPT churns out text. Throw it a prompt like rustle up a business card for a floral emporium named Daisy Mays, and in the blink of an eye, DALL-E 2 becomes your personal Picasso, dishing out a buffet of business card designs and putting graphic designers at number 5 on our list. Graphic designers have a love-hate relationship with apps like DALL-E 2. On the one hand, it's like a sci-fi nemesis, threatening to turn human designers into museum exhibits. On the other hand, it's a secret weapon, a genie in a bottle, conjuring visual concepts ripe for human refinement. Sure, AI, with its uncanny ability to generate designs faster than a speeding bullet, will eclipse graphic artists who've made a living off quick, no-frills designs. But fear not, there will always be a thirst for the Rolls-Royce of design work. Just ask Jason Allen, a video game designer from Colorado. He outsmarted the competition in a digitally manipulated photography contest using an AI image generator called Midjourney. His secret sauce. Not just a simple prompt, but a whopping 80-hour marathon creating over 900 digital masterpieces. Despite the tsunami of online backlash, dubbing him a digital desperado, Allen maintained his cool. He told the Washington Post that AI is a tool, just like a paintbrush. Without the artist, creativity goes on a permanent vacation. Specific journalistic fields are already getting a taste of the robot revolution, with sports journalism being an easy target, which puts journalists at number 6 on our list. Imagine a robot writing about a slam dunk or a home run just by analyzing game statistics. It's like a magic trick, but instead of pulling a rabbit out of a hat, an algorithm spits a gripping 500-word article narrating the match. And the plot thickens in the realm of financial journalism. Here, monotonous earnings reports and business data are like catnip to AI. Since 2014, the Associated Press has been dancing cheek to cheek with an AI platform, Automated Insights. Together, they've churned out thousands of earnings report articles annually, without a single human reporter lifting a finger. The AP claims this has freed up about 20% of their business journalists' time, allowing them to dig deeper into stories. The same AI prodigy handled some of the Associated Press's other coverage like a pro, spewing out automated news for election results and statistics updates during the COVID-19 pandemic. Short-form content is increasingly becoming easier to automate with AI, whilst consistency and breadth across long-form still require human input. Over the last 10 years, Amazon has been busier than a beehive replacing the warehouse workers who are number 7 on our list.
Amazon calls them fulfillment centers, warehouses nationwide where every order is picked up then packed up, with a little help from an unlikely cast of characters.
By deploying a whopping 500,000 robots in their fulfillment centers. These are the gigantic labyrinths where Amazon orders are picked, packed, and propelled into the world. At the same time, Amazon has been on a human hiring spree, roping in over 1 million warehouse workers. Their rationale? Humans and machines working together strike the perfect efficiency balance like an exquisite culinary recipe. Yet while they're espousing the virtues of human-robot collaboration, Amazon is also playing both sides, investing in robots that can mirror the dexterity of human hands. These nimble bots can visually recognize and grab small items from mixed bins. So, how long until Amazon gives their imperfect, break-needing, union threat-making human warehouse workers the boot? It's going to be rise of the robots at an alarming speed in these controlled warehouse environments, predicts Martin Ford, futurist and author of Rule of the Robots, how artificial intelligence will transform everything. Within half a decade or so, Amazon warehouses are likely to have fewer humans than a ghost town. As we conclude our exploration of the top jobs AI is predicted to take within the next 5 years, it becomes evident that the transformative power of artificial intelligence cannot be ignored. The looming wave of automation presents both challenges and opportunities for individuals across various professions. While it is natural to feel concerned about the potential displacement of jobs, it is essential to remember that AI is not solely a threat, but also a catalyst for innovation and growth. By embracing the changing landscape and proactively adapting, we can navigate this AI-driven future with confidence. To stay updated on the latest technology news with an AI focus, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Tectonic Shift.